Hey guys, it's Running Kimono. So Mr. Kimono went out this morning and he treated me and spoiled me. I guess it must be Valentine's Day week. And he got me a newspaper and there are some inserts in it. I know how much you guys enjoyed this video about 2 weeks ago, what's inside of my inserts. So I just thought I would do one today, see how it goes and if you guys like these or not. These are all regional. What might be in my inserts might not be on the West Coast or the East Coast, but I am in Michigan. So for Midwest couponers, this might give you an idea if you buy the newspaper today what's inside of it. So we have 2 red plums and 1 smart source. So this is the first red plum and it is exactly 1 page. So it is a thin one. So this is the cover. And we have a Garnier shampoo coupon here. That's a pretty good one. And then a $2 off a whole blends, which is always nice. And on the back, it's just a whole bunch of stuff to get some checks going. Okay, so the second red plum, it has a bunch of cats all over it. So let's see what we have here. The cat food is great. These two I really, oh maybe this one I can use. A bag of Meow Mix cat treats. Now I think they have this for $1 at the Dollar General. So it would be 45 cents for a bag of cat treats. So that's a really good coupon and there is no stipulation on it. It just says any bag of Meow Mix cat treats. And this is for any bag, but they don't usually have dollar bags of that cat food. And this I have to pass on. It made my cats really, really sick. What do we have here? Oh, Precious Moments Dirty Dancing. That's kind of X-rated. Sorry, guys. Don't want that kind of smut in these videos. Okay, we have some Schwarzkopf hair color coupon. You know, I really hate when they use my image in advertising. I mean, ask guys next time. We have $4 off too, the Schwarzkopf line. In concert with a lot of these coupons today, guys, there are a lot of Saving Star rebates. We have a $2 off a Right Guard Best Dress Collection antiperspirant. $1 off one of the antiperspirant extreme deodorants. We have $2 off Persil. Buy 3, get 1 for free on the Renews It cones. Another Renews It and more smelly goodness. This is a really good one for Walgreens this week if you want to get some detergent on the cheap. More checks. Weight loss. $1 off a Gillette razor. Some toothpaste coupons. Now, I wonder if we could possibly use this Kids Crest at Dollar Tree. Is that a possibility? We have $1 off there for the mouth rinse. Ginormous bra. And oh, here we go. They're not playing around. $2 off a Crest 3D White with a good long expiry date. I love this coupon. Okay, last we have is Mr. Smart Source. We have some Bob Evans action here on the front. Whole bunch of Blue Diamond Almond Breeze milk. Little coupon here for some cereal. Ooh, this is a really good one. $1 off of Jack's Links. A special shout out to Michelle's Frugal Living. I know she loves this. She loves any kind of jerky. So, and it has a good long expiry date too. So that would be an awesome one if you like beef jerky. We have 50 cents off a Colgate. Some more Glade Smellies for your car. A bunch of coupons by Kotex for a bunch of angry months. Good till March. This will make deodorants 99 cents at Walgreens this week with this coupon. Fantastic. And some other coupons down here. Little coupon there for Magna Life. And some seafood, sea packs. And some Harbor Freight stuff. And then this last page, not a whole lot there. Oh, shoot. My girl, Gwen Stefani. $3 off a Revlon eye, face, or lip product. This is an awesome coupon. So that's it for now, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And I hope you enjoy these previews of coupons and such. I've just started doing this again for the last, I did it 2 weeks ago and you guys seem to really have liked this preview, so hopefully you enjoy it. I would say that this is a week that if you want to go and buy a couple newspapers, absolutely go for it, because I mean, that's a phenomenal coupon. So I will see you guys later. Bye.